Hi Shahid, welcome for live chat with Times of India.
Thank you.
So can you tell us about your character Tommy Singh in Nota Punjab?
Tommy Singh, as you can see here, is a really messed up person. He has issues with himself. He is a rock star who is a cocaine addict, and he is the most obnoxious character that I've played till date. But hopefully you will love him somewhere during the duration of the film.
What was your first reaction when you were approached for the role? Because it's like completely different from your personality.
Yeah, obviously I was very I was very scared to do the role because I didn't know if I'll be able to pull it off because I don't drink alcohol, I've never tried anything in my life, so essentially I don't know what it's like to be high. So I was like, you might have come to me as an actor, but do you think you've come to the right person? I looked at Abhishek. He was like, no, let's not worry about that. I mean, he really backed me and said that I believe you can play this part and I'll talk to you through it and I'll tell you everything you need to know. And so that's how the journey started because I guess it was important to take up the challenge to do something that you actually have no experience with, and I guess that's what would be the most challenging thing as an actor that you could do.
Yeah.
So I would say that this is the most challenging role of my career.
Challenging. Okay, Shahid, so knowing, like you just said that you've never had drugs, never drank, so how did you prepare for the role?
I watched a few documentaries, I spoke a lot to Abhishek, but there's more to Tommy than just the addiction. He's this huge rock star, he is pretty funny actually. There's something very funny and entertaining about Tommy, and when you see the film you'll understand. So it was basically about first creating the physicality of the character, which is the hair, the tattoos, the body, the general body language, and then getting into the mind of the guy to understand why he behaves the way that he does. What is it that he's thinking? Just go there and make the movie.
Okay, so Punjab, as you all know, is facing a lot of censorship issues with the censor board demanding as many as 40 cuts. What do you have to say about it? Is it justified?
See, we are all talking about something that hasn't finished its due course. The process is on. Any film that goes to the censor board, they ask for cuts, present their point of view. It's a dialogue, and at the end of the dialogue, a final decision is taken, which is usually mutually accepted. So in the middle of the dialogue, I don't really want to comment on something. I think once the dialogue is over and I understand exactly where we stand, I'll comment on it.
Okay.
Having said that, I had a film like Heather which came out, which had very bold content, and people loved the film and the censor board passed it. So it's time that we allow content to be put out there and look at the audience and say these are evolved people, because the audience is accepting and acknowledging content that's different. And Nota Punjab is that film, the message of the film is extremely positive. That's what we need to focus on. It's saying something which is relevant and which is good, and awareness for that, if it spreads out, is only going to benefit everyone.
Were you apprehensive about the character, keeping in mind the fact that it has a lot of drug consumption and a lot of abusive languages? So
You should go see the film. When you see the film, you'll understand that right now you're focusing on things which are points, topical issues that can be spoken about. And that's one of the biggest issues with filmmaking nowadays. People already decide everything before the film releases, because you put the product out there. When you see the film, you'll understand. Why not make a movie?
So like you just said, people judge a movie based on its trailer. So do you think a lot of controversy was created on Alia?
You're just looking for something to create.
No, I'm not.
अब ये बोला, इस पे controversy बन सकती है क्या? बनाओ.
I'm not. I just want to know that there was a lot of people talking about Alia Bhatt's character, like slamming her for her Haryanvi look and stereotyping.
She's Bihari.
Yeah, Bihari. I'm sorry. And stereotyping. So do you think that it was uncalled for? Like just judging her based on the trailer.
I guess people should first see the film. Having said that, is there anything wrong in playing a character who might be a farmer, who might be poor, who might be dark because they work in the sun, and might be a little dirty because they don't get time to bathe? Is it not worth telling a story about them? Are they not human beings?
Yeah.
do not exist. And I think people of all types exist in all states of our country. So I really don't understand I don't understand. But let people see the film and then they should comment, I guess.
Okay. Like, you're going to be a father real soon. How is that going on for you? Like, are you going to planning a maternity leave really soon?
Yeah, I'll take some time.
So take some time. Okay, Shahid, wish you all the best for Ulta Punjab and thank you for taking the live chat.
Thank you so much.
Thank